Yeah, the hold apparently looks like the hold has come back. Okay.
Mooney 386, turn 10 degrees left. Practice for the ILS, descend to maintain 2,700.
386, 10 degrees left and down to 2,700.
Pilatus 5 Alpha Foxtrot, contact Buffalo Tower 120.5. Good morning.
20.5, 5 Alpha Foxtrot, good morning.
Southwest 85, you can proceed direct Jamestown when you're able. Contact Cleveland Center 125.2.
252, Jamestown, when able, South 85.
Mooney 386, you're 6 miles from Depew. Turn left heading 350. Maintain 2,700 to establish. Cleared ILS runway 32 approach.
386 left now to 350, maintain 2,700 to establish. Clear for the ILS 32 Buffalo.
Here comes the localizer.
Got it.
Mooney 386, contact Buffalo Tower 120.5. Good morning.
25 for the tower, 386, thanks. Buffalo Tower, Mooney 56, 386.
Mooney 56, 386, Buffalo Tower, runway 32, wind 1203, clear to land.
Clear to land, 32, 386, thanks.
Alpha Fox, we're going to Pryor. That's Alpha Fox, turn right at Quebec, proceed to the Pryor ramp, remain at tower frequency. Right turn Quebec and with you to the ramp for 5 Alpha Fox.
Okay, glide slope and localizer. Are we at Depew now?
Crossing Depew right now.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Okay. Very good. Okay, Depew, we are geared down. Boost pump is on. We are in best tank. Mixture is rich. Prop is in. Gear is down, check down.
And I'll give you calls on what I see.
Okay.
Runway environment is in
Good.
sight.
Excellent. Okay, we're 110 knots. We are 1800 for 900. 100 knots.
And runways in sight. And you notice this did not properly sequence, and we'll talk about that when we get back in.
Okay.
Southwest 2178, runway 23, taxi via Alpha, hold short of runway 32.
We're now 1400 for 900.
Yep, and we're just now getting down to the scud.
Okay. You still have the runway?
Still have the runway, still have the, got everything in sight.
Okay.
We're still above the scud, believe it or not. I mean,
Yeah.
it's off to the right, but...
Okay. Okay, now 90 knots, 1100 for 900.
Runway's going to be slightly off to your right.
Okay. 1000 for 900. Okay. Looking up, have it.
But you notice you can't even, I mean, you can barely see prior.
Yeah.
Alpha 724, reposition approved.
Nice landing.
Clear right, clear left.
Yes,
Alpha
we are.
2178, cross runway 32.
Traffic not available.
Mooney 386, proceed to the prior ramp, vehicle back, remain the tower frequency.
286, stay with you, go back to prior, thanks.
Excellent one. That was a nice, that last one was very nice.